विसवा उपरांत येवकार आयतारा कल्पित गांवकाराच्या चित्र प्रदर्शनाचे कला अकादमीत कला संस्कृती मंत्री गोविंद गावडेच्या हस्तुकी उक्तावण जालें. ट्रायबल जमातीच्या कलेक प्रोत्साहन दिल्ले खातीर गांवकाराक मंत्री गावडेन परबी भेटयल्या. आर्डेक्स्को खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
स्टोरी ऑब्जेक्ट एंड वॉइसेस हे माझे सोलो एक्झिबिशन पणजे आल्तीन हांगा चालू आसा. तर हे एक्झिबिशन करपा खातीर म्हाका मातशें म्हणल्यार 4 म्हयने सुमार लागल्या. हे ऑब्जेक्टींत नासून एक जगपाची पद्दत दाखयता. म्हणल्यार ह्या ऑब्जेक्टांतल्यान हांवें म्हाजे स्वताचे एक्सपिरियन्स जे तेंच्या त्या लोकां वांगडा रावन स्पेंड केला.
आज खरें म्हणल्यार ही जी समई ही दिवली जी आसा ती मातयेपासून तयार केल्ली आसा आनी एक रावंड मारलो त्या टायमाचेर खुबश्यो काही गोश्टी आमी मातये संदर्भान पळयलेले आसात. खरें म्हणल्यार माती हे भुंयेक जे पूज्य आसा तांचें हें एक ताणी निर्माण केल्लें हें जग जावन आसा आनी म्हणूनच आज मातये पासून हे भुमिपुरूश आज सातत्यान आपलो उदारनिर्वाह करीत आसा. हे जाणटेल्यांनी जे आज जे फोटोग्राफ्स हांव पळयता ह्या लोकांक म्हाका दिसता पर्सनली सगळ्यांच्या घरान सुद्दां गेल्लो आसा आनी खूब बरें दिसता की अशा लोकांचें आज कल्चर जें आसा तें आज आमी प्रमोट करता आनी खास करून कल्पीत बाबाचें हांव अभिनंदन करता बिकॉज ही हॅज टेकन लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स इन प्रमोटिंग दीस आर्ट एंड कल्चर एस्पेशली ऑफ द ट्रायबल पीपल who are little bit downtrodden and has been neglected by so many years. So this is the right platform we are giving, and I hope I will assure us to each and everyone who are present over here that we will give a continuous support from the Director of Art and Culture for holding these types of exhibitions, and let us say we will carry forward over this culture, our art, not even in the state of Goa but even in the national level. And my dream is also that our artists should reach to the international level, so that whatever the help which is to be given, definitely we will back to each and every artist from across the Goa, because our Goan rich culture and the Goan art is because of this art and culture our Goa has been shined across the globe, and that is why I congratulate who has taken these initiatives for making this exhibition a very unique exhibition. And I wish you all the best for in future endeavor, for making this putting these continuous efforts for to enrich and preserve this tradition of the tribal folk art, tribal art, tribal culture which is so many years neglected. The same tradition, we always say that old is gold. Now the same tradition, even the five-star hotel, we are using this mud vessel back in so many years. That's why old is always gold, and that gold, that old is converting in a very unique perception. So let us hope very bright future. Now the whatever we were using the clothes which are linen, that was very cheap in the ancient days. Now it has been costly. If I want to buy one shirt, it is shoot up to that price is shoot up to 4,000 rupees per shirt and all that of the linen. So where the linen was not having any market value, now that linen has been reached to such a height.